love this. This is the second day I've had it, and we've had a lot of overcast skies today, but we've had some sun, so it's working very well. I cleaned the bird bath. Somebody told me I was gonna kill the birds if I didn't clean my bird bath, so I got in here with a scrub brush and scrubbed, and I also used some bleach, but then I washed it and washed it. Now what you're seeing now is something I cannot get off of here. This is age. But that's not the point. The point is, that's what my fountain looks like. And y'all, it comes with 7 different heads on it so that you can change it. Some of them are spray to the side, some of them spray way up. This one I chose because it won't spray outside the bird bath, but I still have to add water to it quite often because it's so windy out here. And of course you have to clean it once in a while too. But I love this, and I love how it draws the birds, and I'm telling you it does. I'm trying to back up backward. Backing up backward is why I'm unsteady like this. Let me get right over here. Okay. Now, it really does attract the birds. They just seem to flock to the bird feeders now, and then they have to run over there and get on the bird bath and get a sip of water. I saw I saw one of them taking a bath in there yesterday. And then I've also seen some of them in the little bird bath on the ground as well. But I love this. I absolutely love it. I'm dying for another one. I kind of would like to have one. I move that table over here. I'd kind of like to have one in the middle of that table, but I think probably one is plenty. But that gets a lot of sun over there, so it would be going a lot more than this one would. I love chimes. Anyway, that's my bird bath, y'all. I found it on Amazon. I don't exactly remember how much it was. I know it was less than $25. And like I said, it comes with 7 different spray heads on it that you can change it. You can have it go way up. I think it said 23 inches or something like that it will spray up. Some spray sideways, different patterns. And it's easy to change out, super easy to clean. It's solar, so you don't have to worry about any kind of cords or, any electricity. And it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. Okay, I wanted to show it to you. If you want one, you let me know and I'll give you the link.